Hi Heidi, here is your reading lesson for the day. And what we did with the kids is we just read the story called Pete the Cat and the New Guy. So all you have to do is listen. Pete the Cat and the New Guy. It was a Sunday, and Pete's friends had come to play. They were rocking to a new song when, beep, 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 there was a noise coming from across the street. Wise Old Owl had a view from his tree. Pete said, "Hey, Owl, what do you see?" Owl said, "All I see are green shoes and a red hat. That's my kind of cat." Pete could not imagine who this new guy could be. "I really hope it's a new friend for me." On Monday, Pete wanted to say hi, but he was feeling kind of shy. So he just went by and by and by, until finally Pete met the new guy. Pete said, "I've never met anyone quite like you. You seem like a duck, and like a beaver, too." The new guy said to Pete, "Hi, my name is Gus. Glad to meet you. I'm a platypus." Pete said, "You're not like me, and I'm not like you, but I think being different is very cool." On Tuesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They came to Squirrel, who was playing in a tree. "Hi, Gus," said Squirrel. "Climbing is easy. Try and see." And when we were talking about this with the class, we noticed that the squirrel has claws and the platypus has webbed feet. So it's not very easy for the platypus to climb the tree. Gus gave the tree a try, but the branch was way too high. "I wish I could climb like you, but climbing is something I just can't do." Pete said, "Don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." On Wednesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They came to Pete's friend Grumpy Toad, who said, "Come play leapfrog with me. Jumping is easy. Try and see." So think about it. Will jumping be as easy for the platypus as it was for the frog? I don't think so. Gus jumped and leaped, but he couldn't get over Toad or Pete. "I wish I could jump like you, but jumping is something I just can't do." Pete said, "Don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." On Thursday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Soon they saw Octopus, who said, "Come juggle with me. Juggling is easy. Try and see." "I wish I could juggle like you, but juggling is something I just can't do." Pete said, "Don't be sad. Don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." On Friday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Gus said, "I can't juggle or jump or climb a tree. It's no fun around here for me." On Saturday, Pete hoped Gus would come out to play. "I wish Gus wasn't sad. I wish Gus wasn't blue. I wish there was something we could do." Just then, Pete heard a groovy sound. It was coming from across the street. Gus was rocking to his own beat. Sweet. Pete said, "Check out Gus the Platypus. He found something cool he can do with us." Thump, thump, tap. Tap, thump, thump. He's not sad. He's not blue. Gus found something that everyone can do. So they made a band all together. Okay. And the lesson that we learned from that story is that everybody's different, and different is good, and the characters all came together to find something that they could be all involved in, and they could be friends. Okay? That's all I have for reading today. Like I said, the kids and I just talked about how the characters were different, and they had different abilities, but they all could still be friends. Okay? Have a good weekend, Heidi. See you on Tuesday.